Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shrijit Devre. Today we are going to make a different video from all the rest of videos I have made. This is going to be a different one because today I'm going to do a lot of cycling. And actually, I'm going to give a society tour of all the three societies that we have currently in Megapolis, which are Sparklet, Sunway, and Splendor. So we are gonna ride around those societies and show you. I'm going to show you different parts of those societies. So let's go. Start. So this is the parking and we're starting from here. I'm going to ride from this society, Sunway, into Splendor, and then the rest. So this is the out gate. This is the real society, and the thing is that we have a lot of room to do this cycling and walking and etc. Because this is old society. This is made around like 10 to 12 years ago, when there was a lot of area to build and to make things. So we have a lot of space over here to do the cycling and the walking also, which makes it a very interesting place. So this is Sparklet right now where I'm riding. See, you can look at the space that we have in this society. It is too much. Like, we have an open ground over there, just from where I came now. And these massive roads, even 3 vehicles can go. 3 lanes can be formed here, making it a very spacious society. Even with the usable space and the road, this is a very big society. Although we have a new society to look now. This is the out gate connecting to the next society, which is going to be Sunway. Yeah, this is the Sunway society, Megapolis, right now. In the Sunway Society. See, there is a board for all the visitors made by the Sunway Society to direct the new visitors for the buildings. But I'm old and I know everything, so I can go wherever I want. So the both Sparklet and Sunway share a connected wall over here. It's a boundary connected. All 3 societies are connected actually. This society also has a lot of space to move, to walk, to cycle, to do much more things like to play cricket. But mostly we don't play cricket here on the roads. We have a separate RG garden for it, which I will show you later in the video. And my voice won't be coming the best because of the wind, as I'm getting tired while riding. Pardon my riding skills. I'm very aggressive rider. Also, I'm having sore throat, so my voice won't be the best. So please help me. But I'm still trying my best. And yeah, so this is the Splendor Society, and the walls are connected. This is the temple of Sunway, Mahadev temple. Societyans to go pray every day. And this was the garden I'm talking about. This is the RG play area. See, people are playing cricket over here. There is cricket court, basketball court, also a kids play area, making it a beautiful place for all the children to play. I'm gonna take a U-turn from here and I'm gonna go back. And currently I'm having my Christmas vacation of 10 to 15 days. That's why I'm roaming around here and making videos. I only get time in this period of years to make videos because at other times I study and can't skip school. So this is the only time of the year where I make videos in vacations, Diwali vacations, Christmas vacations, summer holidays. Right now we are in the Splendor Society of Megapolis, which is currently undergoing painting. Yeah, this is being repainted. See, it's being repainted right now, and it is in the best place to ride around. That's why we have to be safe because the barricades can fall anytime, the scaffolding. So we have to be much more safe. We have to ride with caution over here. Whole society is going under painting right now. Our painting was done long back, like around 1 year ago, and Sunways had done it before us, around 2 years ago. Everybody walking, when I ride past them, they tend to look at me because of the big camera that I'm having on my forehead.